We go devour audio. Where send for me for April. No ya mo ogun asan gbegbe. No ya mi ekwe. You need time a destiny the live video. No ya mi ekwe mame. I go dey pause am. Don't listen.
Hello, Sakuzo Kusoye Valeti le van ogun asan bu enu ari yo ave ba bola. Ba bola no ta no hian ogun agbon Sakuzo Kusoye Valeti le wa. Ago mo gun gbogbe no do the one naira ni you. When you block you na block you one thing ago egun.
Una dey hear audio. Where send for me for April. When he come to the record to me, say, why me go tell the destiny, say, he tell say, if destiny can't borrow money, me why that boy, that man not borrow money from his hand. No, ya fiyan yagbe. No, ya fiyan yagbe. On, excuse me. He can't come and one star, call it swear or go son. Now say one enter live video. Now say one put 5 page. Now say one call saga meal. Now say you go do this so. Now say you go do that so. Now say this so. Now say that so. Oh, I would speak English, not verse. More na listen, yo. Because some of them they call, I say you don't bomb. I say I don't bomb. But he didn't know that. He know say I bomb for her. Gone are those days. Then that time where mother won't be a beer. Okay, I know what we are signing in the court. He has signed. Okay, I'm going to go home. Or they want to buy me go your home. Oh, money there. I'm more home. Boy, where I live for my papa. Me they put money for my. Ukwa ko Canada 2015. My own mama na give her visa. She shokuna. But Ukwa go stand for road. Oh my but be say kijene. Ikpa ota no ya se mota no gwan so gbu 2015. Where Sosa in Sosa where they for Scarborough for year. Ona vie bo wa not there ladian. Ona ya invite you. Canada na reject you visa. All over there now they invite you. They can't reject you visa. Ikpa once na dey ver. They can't reject you. Now I go in there beg mama. I say, Mom, you know say I know they work. I not go feel invite anybody. Mama beg. Now I need them. Cause my mother is a citizen. My mother have been here for about 28 years. Now I say, Mommy, I beg. This man I too love her. Help me give her paper. Then my mother say, I will do it for you, my daughter. Because I see say you really love this man. Then mama give me a passport. Canada with me. Imagine na yawe. Now mommy na yawe. Now I go meet my sister for Whitby. Now I go meet my sister and say, Auntie, I know say you sabi do all this application online. I beg, I want to invite my husband. I was not calling him my boyfriend because we were married, legally married. Now my auntie say, okay, now they give you some. That night, I had to sleep my auntie's house. We can't photocopy my mama passport. I can't write the letter. Lawyer, I call this man name. Then I call me write letter. Then I send to my email, call print and submit application for Ukwa. Less than 48 hours, they can't send me go do. They can't Canada can't send us. May go do biometry. My ring light don't off. May go do biometry for Lagos. Now it take how much can do biometry. Under 14 days, they gave Ukwa visa to Canada. My mama, Nukwa mwebogbe orient every day. Now open pathway for Ukwa to start coming to Canada. When they seize a Europe paper get now woo. Or might like Europe. Because on my winner, or mighty will renew. Ukwa cannot boast today and enter Europe. Even London already jet Ukwa with visa. My mother was the one that opened Ubeke na siana alele wa Ukwa no we asemota. Bongosa. You see our course halfway there. When my mama head go they worry you all the days of your life Ukwa. If bongosa no we asemota no Ukwa one over. But you know if you tell we say in like Canada na ije violent no. Umeti tame we. Una ge we. Una ge insult. Una ge insult ije na de gbe anyanya. Una de gbe anyanya. But you fail to tell him where at the enter Canada today. Now violent mama they make me enter Canada. And I swear pay passport when now all you show we say more visa no. Ukwa no ade va war. Nuku undi de your here. But if you see where they insult my family, who are way number 2, Viva. But my own mother was the one that opened a pathway for you to the enter Canada. No fear. Now I take this useless boy visa. You know the visa in the early 2015. On our day. On our when you are 3 months. You man have an Ukwa, wugi le Canada, why do I? To do a fake can go one. To do a masturbate. Masturbation. You to we man now you are gone. Support while you were corner. I go there the same house with you. Go the fake kia. Ukwa. No be I call they use like this. They look you. Iba where? A Mexica in way you like. A Mexica in way you force anywhere. We are masturbating. We are married. Pala again Nigeria on video. Is that not what happened? Now, let me change any of you men now because you're not lads. For me to come out for him, you know, say, I'm mega gamu you know. My son is no longer a semotan. And neither more can get be. It's still like they are sending me the form in there. It's going to cost me close to $3,000. I don't care. I will change his last name and I will give him the story when the time comes. Onaga mo gwanso, onaga mo gbe, onaga mo gbogi jene. Bi manager we ni rokpa. Who doing and any come back, he will come back. Now by force to come back. Now by force to come back. But today you make a we believe where na me they beg you. Na me they beg you. No ade verwa. Baba Skimi, I see your message for here. Thank you for coming. But if you run your tamawe, a boy ya we topic is separate. Venu kwa ya muwe ni ri amane ya do time agbon. All of you now, no me muwe ni ri amane ero. Ya se gbe machi do ekene. Of all no ni okwe wa what is say. Of vavon na vai we ni na. Ukwa no ho wa. No degbere at all. Me can get particular show money, just in the show money. That's in the show money can free money extra money. Because who give me no more feel okwa. When am I to come no feel okwa? Nigeria where I come that uga imi 250,000 na dey you know the $100 by over 500 now dash you for Nigeria trip when I go so this time. But you know fit tell we say mama you ain't got character but to pay say tolo. Nigeria no really there you 500,000 imi boya me I just want to give it to you because I saw your condition. I saw your condition, Ukwa, or Yaneri going in. In the US dollar, 100 US, that $100 I gave to you. As at that time was 180,000. In I gave you extra 100,000 you went anyway. All of that 280. If after we give you Ukwa, in I gave you 250,000. Got to get near my man to go. Ukwa, they gave my no. Then was sent over there, gave Degberato. Over 500,000. Me told that strike you, Ukwa one. Now I give you. For February last year when I go Nigeria, when they make people they believe now say you can't spend money for me, you can't buy a chair for your picky, a chair of $80 when you buy for your son. Una the that time on one phone and when we are get was say, but most another say mutan. Iwe don't be more. They not say una look biare because who was see me I work Italo. They not say Italo na we beg but most another say mutan. How we you say now you leave woman, which means no say now me leave you for inside this house, and I will bring the proof out when you say we are here. But you say now you leave me, but now you tell on the lie, babe. Ni me here social media. I open my social media. 2022 March, a March now about 3 years. My way give on the platform, but you were able to lie where my way you come back. You know when you buy social media, yeah, you know the time where you are low the business in the social media. Ukwa no devil war. The business in the social media 2022 when I open my man on my TV, are we still together? Are we still together? But you not tell we say Nigeria when I come, so I gave you over 550,000. When I see your condition, ya kick off. Is you may not say well like Canada then? Oh, wait, got over here. Say die, mama. No good boy. Can't tell public why your family accuse you of killing your mother and your sister. Wait, born Betty. Wait, I'm a born. Then you hear both what when you were murder visually. Una ya kine no wa una fien grave. Then you quite useless. Say we not get better at all. Say thank God your friends are here. Who never hear na make it here. Ask we Ukwa for doing mama burial for off Stapley Road. After P0, we all of us for go get mama died 2008. Ukwa ki one in there, or ki grave. They no one get best. Okay, on a take on a bricklayer. Here na ya carve a grave here, na carve a grave here. Ketorela, ana carve. Ukwa na, no one knocking on that way na do bigo. Because Ukwa cut grave, say house. Before he even said the house, his sister wey get the as a miss the way the one wear or what zonking or who reason the purity of your Betty or not of feel a boy or one and mere where on when I got one or over ya lay you worry in your say the way Jemag be will lay you one day who quado feel a boy you got to again more do you have a young so sack or quack of feel a boy or ya feel oh yes you or do you feel a boy you one you make a knock but not get it back. Olebo. See your life. All the children with your mama born. Then which one for inside una they play? Then when my mwazevo, iyagada wazeno, emisu wazeno. No the re Italy. No the bale only till they call us as an agawi ya swearing una be ya one energy they call him give a call. All your pikin birthday. I said that my J-Bobo birthday. You don't ever post that boy picture once. But when I may not post it, we are great thank you to us. It is December now, man, way. To the extent, you say yes, I get belly, not be to get belly, make I come born the pikin. I don't born the pikin. We are prophet, you know. It be on it. A mother-in-law there, or I think they can't do your own. Should I be and see that for a big church or me? Go and ask. No devil, who die. When we move die, when we be a picture latia, ye reject no wa begging no soon show me that I am a two working no. We got a picture baby father. Last year August, I'm introduction. In my post keka. Guale the picture no post of yes seleno. No we again no soon. You teach that to come to show me that I can't blab. I do yoga with saga. Egbenu Ukwa uni. I do yoga with saga. You teaching at that type? No. I will do saga with you and I will bring proof. Where my beer? Eje bobo. Where would they work a your mona? Where one little weary, una divie your bo, era were, aware no, a canete rao, imagine where more in a moajoa, all the sacrifice and I went una where una diviona de your bo. Then era no rena where abandona. What tell me where guve, oh guve, or say almighty the being you bower. You can never you bow again in your life. I was say where I first give me that what the Nigeria the last year February, what might do two of office, una in your not one of here. Irritota. You do two matter where my way you no bunu yegbe. Bogwa. You ya vow where you da. Oh, it was one two. Mind anything.
This one Italy, and I'm going to do my CG, and you do
Una de year, or wait till the flat in it born, or ye be a moment. But you the make the public understand, say I don't even get house. So when you give me a 3 flats, and what I want stop for, I forget what stop waiting. Where you when you stop. Hey, yeah, oh, no, part 1. Isha, we make like YouTube in here. Part 2, it go long, go reach past 100. Story plenty when I want to talk about Ukwa. His wife make a picture where he said to me, go come out. I take her, me get native daughter, where I take cash his wife and his mama. His wife, mama, and his wife. He go come out. As he take cash my mama, say, na mama not make you the born, na mama make you the miscarriage, oh. Which when I'm about going back, even I'm about beyo. Where make a young you say mama can't sleep parlor. My mother have 4 houses. Oh, we not like Europe 1992. We will not do have parlor where. Ukwa, Vigimela Webo, who were Yahweh conductor, 3rd to Ring Road. 3rd to Ring Road. We may you were like desert. Even though I said today, who were evolved when we are like desert. But you say my own mama can't sleep your parlor. We might even like that over Bima. Ukwa, Ora Gele Sunu, wait for your house. I can't insult my mama, I'm calling it. Ukwa. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Oh, where my son? We made no vision there. That's it. Well, Ukwa we no dead. Where do what dig better? No, I dig better. Why am you? Boy, I be boy. Oh, go so go for me. Where see any of your boy? Where are begging where? Where to? Uto. The ane je boy. Eru gbe me akpana line. Me na just show me that the hotel there. I have been on this social media for how many years now? Have I ever come out to use J-Boy flat to do topic? No. I never one day do one. When you know about say, I always praise you. I never come out one day. Make I block this useless person. Banned from my screen. I never one day. Because why? But you, every time you keep poking me. Make it come out now. Yeah, you are being obeyed for that picture. Why they are done? Why, girl? Make it come out now. I'm not born for person, I'm born for young, vibrant boy. E kiarema elaga, no ukwa laga. Ela luwe, no ukwa la luwe. Make the picture come out. Ukwa na la luwe. Make it come out. It they hide. Yeah, my own way does that now. What it does do for my body? Make we no Latin. No na see pikin. Omone even a koe. So now your fish say ask me your piece. So ya kaya mu. Iya mo bia no koryo. Or iya mo ne name ya. I don't understand. Eh? If the picture come out, wala me eh. Hey, I believe I make up myself poster. Me una go they use the picture till they come. People like una where they comment nonsense now. Do you hear picture like Bekwa? It not be like Ukwa, not be bleach out. Our viewer. If you even see mama, old, rich mama they white. Now my daughter, baby crown, I resemble 8 to 0 by your jaloto or jaloe. Una you believe that if person there for Nigeria now Yogwe, I'm not born for Yogwe. If they go UK, now we take meat. Or Jewebo. Now I normally like a Webo no because he like a prophet work. Or it is an all the man wait there for Nigeria. Thank you, my darling Taye. Now I'm men wait there for Nigeria and I be poverty. Now I poor. I go Nigeria, this boy was taking J-boy, I doing shopping on J-boy. Ukwa wanna say he rich. After what he buy for a J-boy, when I can't go Nigeria, this February way pass so. Mix sweets, then they buy for along the road, they give her. Only a man second imagine, only one bottle. Nah, Bino, no problem. I don't be like a Bino, no problem. I love her like that. Ukwa, February last year, what did you tell me? You say what that I say I go fit born for another man.